What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? And my bad, getting started a little late here today. I had some trouble importing my watch list because I switched my account on TD, and I had to get all the quotes over to my new account, but it didn't come through correctly, so I don't think we're going to do the watch list today, or we'll have a very short watch list. So yeah, that's why I'm a little late here today, guys, but appreciate everyone for being patient. What's up, everyone? What up, Rodrigo, Low Roller, Wen, Francisco, Eddie, and Zach? Everyone in the house today. What's up? And Jalen, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you, everyone, for being here. Appreciate everyone, as always. All right, let's read some comments real quick. Bitcoin pumping this week. Yeah, I think it's going up a little bit today. I didn't really see it, to be honest. I was kind of busy. But yeah, it went up over the weekend, this week, and I'm assuming it went up today. So, I'll take it. Hopefully, it actually holds and, not go back down another 20K. I won $300 a couple days ago. I got greedy, lost $100 on skill game. I still have plenty of money to play. I will probably keep majority profit at home. Play the money I can afford to lose. Good plan, dude. Yeah, on Friday, right? I think you said you won $300 and then you were on the way home on the bus. So yeah, congrats to you, Low Roller. Big win there. And yeah, good plan, Cash out, keep your profits, and yeah, that's the way to do it. Only invest or gamble what you can afford to lose. Hello all, name change because ATER going to Pluto. Maybe, yeah, it's when, it's, oh, it was when Ray before. I thought it was when Moon. Do I have the meme here? Yeah, I got it. Boom. Wait, oh, you gotta move it, hold up. When Moon. Yep, got that. But when Pluto, I like it. Ethereum, going Pluto maybe? We'll check it out in a second. Gonna be a while though, probably. What up, Francisco? INDO? You want me to look at INDO? We'll check that out as well. Sure. Bots pumped INM all weekend on StockTwits. Maybe should have listened to them. Would have made good money today. Did they? I mean, it was pretty high up today, so I believe it. But yeah, that we're gonna discuss that today. First and only TA we're gonna do. I think that was number 3 on StockTwits. So but yeah, don't chase. It's too late. And yeah, what up, Eddie? What's up? I saw you saw my short, my YouTube short there. You like that, dude? Said you wanted to start shorting. Yeah, come over to the join the club, dude. Honestly, like, everyone needs to learn how to short. It's literally half a day trading. That's why retail gets wrecked, because you literally don't know how to, like, half of it is shorting, and retail doesn't know how to short. So, as you see, shorting is very, very effective. And, yeah, join the club. Appreciate you, dude. What up, Zach? One more dump, I guess, than Moon? Yeah. Well, or there could be no dump. Maybe it's just Moon from here. We'll see. What are your expectations for CPI data tomorrow? I do expect inflation to go down. Maybe, probably not by that much, but it does seem like inflation is starting to pull back now. So, I expect it to be a little bit down. I think the market already priced it in. And, I mean, I don't know how the market's going to react, but I think everyone is expecting a little bit of a pullback there in inflation, which is good. Okay. I decided to eat Golden Corral my celebration and bought a new iPad charger too. Yeah, congrats, dude. Treat yourself. Are you buying new iPhone 14? No, I don't like Apple. Like, I don't know anything Apple, except for AirPods. I'm Android, I'm PC guy, and I don't believe in buying new stuff. Like, new phones, I'm not going to pay $1,000 for a phone. That's ridiculous. If anything, I wait 2 years and I buy it refurbished for like $200 or $300. Here comes the sorry, I talk over it. My apologies, guys. So no. You change your picture, too. Oh, to Pluto. That's funny. Yep, all the tickers I saw StockTwits, they pumped on them. Interesting. I don't think it's really a bot pump, but that is very interesting. We'll discuss that. Shorting is all the trading, lol. Yeah, shorting is that's where the short-term gains are for sure. Did you see Kroger guy stream this weekend? No, I don't watch him. It shows where you live in a bad area. I mean, I believe it, you know. He's supposed to be poor, so what do you think? Where do you think he's gonna live? What gas features name? Not crude oil or natural gas? I don't actually know, dude. Maybe someone else knows here. Anyone know? Let him help out Zach here. All right, guys. So today is Monday, September 12th, 2022. I'm your host Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Is it RB1? I actually don't know, dude. I'm sure a quick Google search will answer your question there. So, yes, a lot of people in here nice and early. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. And 1010, what's up? So, yeah, great day today. So, yeah, today we're doing the show from Tendytown. First of all, happy Monday, guys. Great way to start the week. Tendytown. Hope you guys made some fat tennies today. I made some fat tennies today. I don't know if you guys saw, and you guys weren't really active on Discord today. I was kind of surprised. But yeah, I was posting on Discord my plays. If you guys didn't know yet, I made a TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok at Smarter Gambling. One word, Smarter Gambling. So I made my first TikTok video. I posted on YouTube Shorts as well. So if you guys haven't checked that out, go check out my YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to be doing 2 YouTube Shorts, or 2 short videos every day. Once in the morning on my plays, and then once in the afternoon after the market closes on like an update. So yes, if you guys didn't see already, this morning I was short RMED, 22 cents, covered at, I think I was in for 9,200 shares, out for 17 cents. I think that was a $450 profit. And then I also shorted RGLS, I think it was, or RLSG, RGLS, I think. I was in there for, Let me check real quick. I'm already forgetting. Oh, I was in there for 850 shares. Yes, 850 shares, RGLS, shorted at 240, covered at 185, another $450 profit. And then I'm still short Blue Apron from last week, and that's slowly going down. But right now I'm $300 unrealized profit. So today, $900 realized gains, $300 unrealized gains. And I'll post that update later on after the show. I was trying to figure out how to use TikTok. I was like, how the hell? That's crazy. I was like, how the hell do you do this? I felt so old, like a boomer or something. I had no idea how to use TikTok, but I think I figured it out. Okay. And I'm going to start live rainbow bearing again. Check the scanner out here real quick. Don't see anything going on right now. But yeah, throughout the show, we'll constantly update the scanner to see if there's any aftermarket action. Okay. I forgot to read somewhere that not including gasoline, inflation is already either down 1% or 0.1%, and gas is down from last month, so CPI will be lower. Don't know how much though. Yeah, we have an article about that coming up actually, about gas and inflation. So, getting a little ahead of me here. Let's read that article in a sec, and we'll talk about that. You can make an iPhone 14 review on YouTube. You can make tax deduction as business expense. It'll be free iPhone 14. Yeah, that's not my thing, dude. I'm not a tech reviewer. I'm a rainbow bear. This is what we do here. And like I said, I hate iPhone. I hate Apple. It's going to be the most important component of tomorrow's CPI. Yeah, for sure. Oil. So, yeah, like I said, we got an article coming up here. So, we'll get to that very shortly. And here come the bots. Welcome, bots. Fubo Squeeze, BKKT. We'll check it out. Pat McAfee talking about Fubo. I did not see that, but I do love Pat McAfee. And by the way, NFL. NFL just started yesterday. And I think I made 4 bets and I lost 3 of them. So not a good start to my sports betting on the NFL season. But it was nothing that crazy. It was $20 a game. All right. Cool. I made 0 today and all last couple of weeks. Hey, that's better than losing money, right? So you gotta take positives there. We'll be back tomorrow looking free bonus skill game. All right, good luck, dude. Down 45 since July. Go. What is down 45%? Yeah, the Giants did win. I actually bet against the Giants. I had the what they played, the Titans. I had them by 7, and they ended up losing. So yeah, I lost that bet. Clown on me. But you know, good for the Giants. That was a big win. I also bet against the Vikings. I bet on Green Bay, and they also lost. So, yep. Another one I lost there. The only one I did win, I won the Ravens against the Jets. And I am a Jets fan, but I ain't stupid, you know. So I took the Ravens, and I won that one. You can make sports pick on your YouTube channel. Yeah, but I'm not a sports picking expert, dude. I just bet for fun. You know, I'm not an expert. I'm not a guru. So I'll stick to what I'm good at. Rainbow bearing. My team Cowboys looking like trash again already. Let's go Cooper Rush. Well, you know, they played a hard team. Yeah, Brady kicked their ass yesterday. And I was gonna bet on the Bucks, but decided not to because they're both really good teams. Cowboys aren't trash, but yeah, they did lose pretty bad yesterday. But they should make the playoffs, you know. But they always collapse in the playoffs. That's the problem. Ouch, bro. Vikings definitely go into the playoffs. Probably. Looks like they're gonna win the division. Yeah, Green Bay is not looking too good at all. Need Devontae Adams. All right, guys. So yeah, love talking football. But let's get started with the show. Appreciate everyone being here. So, don't have too much content planned for today, but it seems like a lot of people here chatting nice and early. So, we'll see how long today goes, but I don't have too much content. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews, and probably that's not going to take too long because, like I said, I had problems importing my watch list. So, we'll work with what we got here, but probably not going to be too much of a stock review today. And then we got 5 articles today. Pretty much all minor stuff. The big article was about inflation and gas, which we'll get to first, and then minor articles after that. One about an update on the railroad strike. One about Biden and he wants to invest in biotech. One about James Harden, the basketball player, and he's pushing financial literacy. Pretty funny. We'll get to that. Minor news, and then one about the Trump investigation that's still going on. So an update there. And then today we're going to do INM for the analysis. I already forgot what it's called, but it's, was it Inmed? I think it's Inmed Pharmaceuticals. Hot stock today, major price action, made StockTwits, so we'll analyze that. Shouldn't take too long. There's not too many indicators. And then we'll get to the Yolos. Not too many Yolos either. Mostly memes, a lot of lost corn, some gained corn. So that should be fun. But yeah, don't have too much content planned for you guys today. So I don't expect today to go too long. Maybe, we'll say hour and a half to 2 hours. Probably closer to 2 hours because there's a lot of people chatting. But yeah, should be around 2 hours today. We'll go for. All right. Let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Okay. You should be a fan of Giants. The Jets will be known as LA Clipper and New York football team. I like them both. I mean, I don't dislike the Giants. I root for the Giants. But they both suck, so I don't root for any of them. Well, I do root for them, but, you know, I'm realistic and I don't expect anything. No, if you watch Cowboys, always 3 and out. Offense is trash. No rest for the D, which is good. I didn't actually watch the game. Really? Where's, don't they got, like, Zeke? They got Zeke and... Isn't Prescott supposed to be good? And they got Amari Cooper? Interesting. Yeah, didn't they lose like 19-3, right? Yeah, no offense. That's right. I didn't watch the game, but I know they didn't score much. Is Goosebump Joe a bot? Probably. Yes, probably. Okay. Cool, let's do it, guys. And actually, you know what? Give me a second. Let me pull up the post-market scanner to see if we're going to do any live rainbow bearing. All right, first things first, post-market scanner. Nothing happening? Nope, not yet. Nope, nothing happening yet. So we'll come back to this. Okay. How do you know he's a bot? Because the same people keep coming in at the same time, and it's like fairly obvious that it's probably one person controlling all the bots. Pretty sure Bill Ferg, Leonard Armstrong, Haley Carr, and yeah, that guy Joe. I'm pretty sure they're all bots. So I don't really see why they have to bring bots in. Like whoever's controlling the bots, why can't you just come in as yourself and like not come in with 5 accounts? You know. Anyway, yeah, we figured it out. They're bots. Okay. What are we looking at? Ethereum, INDO. He didn't say anything yet, Goose. Yeah, he did. He said shake it. He just always talk about shaking, shaking, shaking. You know, shaking it. It's they're trying to pump stocks and they're trying to pump stocks and troll. That's what the bots are doing here. Okay. Ethereum. All right, so Ethereum, pretty fair market value, 55 RSI. Although it does look like it's cup and handling here, so this may be on the way back up to the high $3 range. Don't see any gaps though. Is this a gap? 480. Oh, this is a gap. 480 is a gap. Very small gap, but yeah, 480 gap. Another gap back here. 850. So it looks short term, short and long term bullish. This is a good chance this goes over 3 in the short term. Maybe even 480, but that may be a bit optimistic. So yeah, pretty full market value right now, but does look bullish short and long term. So good luck there. When? INDO. So RSI 49, again, fair market value. It's not really doing much. It's holding 7 pretty strong. I have to import all my TA. I switched my account, so I don't have all my tickers and the TA, so my apologies about that. But yeah, this it's not really doing much. It's fair market value right now. And well, there's a little cup and handle here. Yeah, cup and handle. So this may come back up to 13 in the short term. Really shouldn't go to the downside though. It's holding 7 pretty strong. So I do like IMPP more than INDO, but they both look good here. Yeah, so average RSI, but little cup and handle in the short term and bigger cup and handle in the longer term. So yeah, you just gotta buy and you just gotta hold this right now, and it should break out eventually. Probably in a couple of months. Okay, and RB 1, 2. I don't know if I could pull it up here. I hope I can. No, it's probably called something else. It's probably called something else. Or is it slash RB1? No, I don't think it is. Yeah, unfortunately, Zach, I don't know what the ticker is in TD. Like, I know that is the ticker, but it's not coming up. It's under a different ticker. Hold on a second, let me... Are there futures in here? Futures. Yeah, I don't know what the actual ticker is. You can go with TradingView. All right, yeah, let's do that. We'll when we're done with TD here, when we get to crypto, we'll look at TradingView for sure. All right, cool. That's not it. All right. Actually, I think most of the watch list transferred over. Yeah, I think most of my watch list did transfer over. I don't think all of it did, but I think most of it did. So, we'll roll with it. I got article on privacy coin get delisted. Luna Classic tanking. I hope you sold last week. I didn't buy Luna, and you know, I advise and I told everyone you should probably not buy that. Queen Elizabeth deleted this weekend. Yeah, we covered that. R.I.P. to the Queen. What up, Ken? What's up? Are we mooning yet? Looks like it. It looks like. I mean, I'm not gonna say we are, but today was very strong and very encouraging. But appreciate you, dude. All right. So if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Let me check where we're at real quick. 8 viewers, 17 likes. Wow. All right, so that's probably not totally accurate. There's probably a lot of bot liking there. But I appreciate everyone. Thank you.
I appreciate you.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. And follow me on TikTok, @SmarterGambling. Please and thank you. Okay. So, yeah, let's do it here. All right. That's a lot of articles, low roller. I don't know if we're going to have time. I already got like 6 myself, so if they're not too long, we'll look at them. But, yeah, we'll see. Okay. All right, so the Dow Jones. All right, this is all messed up. Hold on a sec. Percent change. All right, there we go. Yeah, my apologies, guys. I'm using a new account here, so things are a little weird. Let me actually get rid of that. I don't even need net change. All right, there we go. Cool. That's better. All right, so the Dow Jones up 0.71%, NASDAQ up 1.2%, and the S&P up 1.07%. Let's go. Big day here. Yep, very bullish day. Very nice. Attendees everywhere. For some reason, though, the VIX is up 4.74%. Up 23 point, or excuse me, we're at 20. Yeah, I am missing, maybe I did need net change. Anyway, we're up 4.74%. So we're at 23.87 VIX now. Really, really weird. It should have went down a lot, and it actually went up a lot. I don't know what's going on there. That's not good. So yeah, 24 VIX now. Not the greatest. Not terrible, but not the greatest. So yeah, really odd why the VIX went up today. That should not have happened. But whatever, you know. The market was green, so I guess it doesn't matter that much. Okay, but yeah, big day here in the stock market. Tennies everywhere, so hope you guys made some fat tennies today. What up, Koya? What's up? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. All right, let's run down the watch list real quick. So it looks like, yeah, what do we got here? MEGL, that's one of the Chinese meme stocks, 18%. Big day for NEO, 13.5%. BBIG, honorable mention. 13%. So that had like 1,500 mentions. We could have did BBIG today, but yeah, honorable mention. And the bots were talking about Fubo, but yeah, Fubo actually did go up today, 8.8%. So congrats there. Peloton, pretty big day. Yeah, Ethereum went up pretty big, 5.2. AMC 5%, nice gain there. HYMC 4.9%. Yeah, silver, big day. What? Damn, silver went up 4.9%. Wow, what's up with silver? Well, Apple 3.85%, huge day there. Robinhood 4%. And a bunch of memes here. DraftKings, XCLA, Palantir, Skills, Alibaba 2.8%. Bed Bath & Beyond 2.7%. 420's up. Amazon 2.4%. Not going to spend all the time here, because pretty much everything is in the green. But yeah, this looks like a pretty big day for both growth and value. Everything in the green today. A lot of price action. Yep. So yeah, apes making money, boomers making money, everyone making money. Even the bears making money today. Everyone printing tennies. And red side, not too much on the red side here. Some Chinese stuff. MGAM, MGAM, HKD. And not much price action. Some random stuff here. Twitter, Clover, Ocugen. AMD was down 1%. Interesting. Wish. Playboy. Yeah, so I remember the bot got me to buy Playboy. I bought one share at 420 for the lulz. I think I'm going to dump it, though. Okay. But yeah, not much on the red side at all. So, yeah, fat tennies here today. Massive green, massive tendies. So I hope everyone made some fat tendies today. Congrats to everyone. Did you watch Cobra Kai Season 5 this weekend? No, I don't even watch TV. I saw Thor, though. That was a pretty good movie. Finally came out on Disney, so I watched Thor this weekend. Apron Weber. All right, we'll look at that real quick. But we kind of already discussed it. But yeah, Apron. Again, full disclosure, I am short Blue Apron right now. I'm short at $8, and I'm covering at $4. And so it may be a bit biased, but look, there's a gap right here. At $3.85. So I think it's coming back down to $3.85. I'm not saying that because I wanted to. Like, I actually think it will. No longer in overbought and overvalued territory. RSI's at 60 now, so still above average. But no longer overbought and overvalued. And it looks like a head and shoulders may be forming here. One shoulder. Here's the head. Looks like a second shoulder is incoming, so that's a bearish indicator. Yeah, you know, and volume's going down, so this does look like it's going to sell off, probably to 4, unfortunately. So I'm in here short right now. I'm already up $300 on this, and I'm going to hold this all the way down to 4. So, probably not what you want to hear, dude, but you may want to sell this. You may want to sell this, not financial advice. And Weber, sure, we'll look at that. Rawa Coco was right. It will triple MOAS. Still screaming that, right? Yeah, he's a fraud. He's a fraud. The guy should be kicked off of YouTube. I hate pumpers. He's probably just a major bag holder, and he's screaming moon so he can unload his bags. That's all it is. Alibaba guy portfolio update today. Or maybe we can look at that if we have time. Shorting again? I'm shorting again, yeah. Made some fat profit. Did you see my TikTok? Did you see my YouTube video? My YouTube short? Playboy is $4.52. Take your 30-cent profit. I'm trying to sell it at 6.9. At 6.90 for the lulz. I bought it for $4.20. I'm trying to sell it at 6.90. So I'll probably put a stop loss at $4.20 if it goes back there for break even, and I'll let it run to $6.90. If it does, then I'll take my, $3 profit. Whatever it is. All right, Weber. This one looks pretty bullish. Average RSI right now, 47. Yeah. So decent entry, but you know, it looks pretty strong. Looks like it's cup and handling. May come back up to 10. Complete this cup here. But that's really the only indicators. So average entry right now, you missed the bottom of 6. Strong support there. Critical support there. I think in the short term, this may come back up to 10. And longer term, possibly 18. So look short term bullish and look short term and long term bullish this stock. And ENVB. All right, last one, ENVB. And then we'll do, for Zach, we'll do oil. This is just going nowhere. So average RSI right now, 47 RSI. Not really doing much, but it does look bullish longer term. Gap down here at 31 and big cup and handle. So not a bad entry, but this is definitely a buy and hold. This probably come back up in the long term. You bought 420, nice price. Yeah, that's the only reason why I bought it. Because I knew it was a bot, and I'm like, all right, fine. You want me to buy it? I'll buy one share, 420. For the lulz. You should buy Wish 420 a share. What's Wish at? Nope, that would have been terrible. That would have been a terrible idea. I'm glad I didn't. All right, guys. Let me see if aftermarket stock scanner is working. All right, looks like we got some action here. Or do we? And this isn't that accurate. All right, I guess we got to use the other one. All right, so there's the stock market today, guys. Let's move on to crypto. And let's check. All right, so this is what we got on the aftermarket action. Nothing really going on. PL? What is PL? Let me check that real quick. Yeah, you guys wanted live rainbow bearing. Here we go. Live trading. Planet Labs. All right, yeah, it's not going up that much, but I'll keep an eye on that. Okay. All right, so let me open up TradingView. We'll look at oil futures for Zach, and then we'll get to crypto. Buy Wish 120. You can't go even lower anymore. Hey, never say never. It can go under $1 and they can reverse split. I thought you can't short stocks in pre-market. Do you place those shorts at the starting? No, dude. Where'd you hear that from? That's absolutely not correct. You can short pre-market. That's literally how I make my money, shorting pre-market. I make all my money in the pre-market. No. I did that at like 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning. I don't know where you heard that from, Swarls. Well, first of all, what's up, Swarls? What's up? I don't know where you heard that from, but that is not correct at all. No. You can most definitely short in the pre-market. So I did that at like 5 in the morning, 5 or 6 in the morning, can't remember. Oil doing good, Mr. Wong? Yeah, it is. We'll check it out right now. So BBIG going triple digit, like Raw Coco said. Yeah, you know, they could reverse split. They can do a 100-to-1 reverse split, and they can hit triple digits. Yeah, yes, possible. Okay. What was it again? RB1 exclamation. RB1. I don't even see it in TradingView, dude. Oh, is this it? Gas. All right, I think it's just RB. I think it's just RB. Okay. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Okay. Alright, I don't like TradingView that much. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, I don't like trading view that much. All right, let's see. RSI 37. So this was oversold. What the hell? So this was oversold in the beginning of the month, 2 weeks ago. So it's since recovered. So 37 RSI right now, still, very good entry, below average RSI. There's a gap here at like 275. 275. So this should come back up to 275, fill that gap. Yeah, this was a big head and shoulders. Big head and shoulders here. So it does look bullish. It does look bullish. Probably 275 incoming in the short term. But yeah, other than that, there's probably a descending channel here somewhere. I don't know how to use this damn thing. Very rough sketch. Very rough sketch. Descending channel. So if this breaks, yeah, this is about to break out to the upside of the descending channel. That's bullish indicator, gap down, bullish indicator, low RSI, bullish indicator. Yeah, it looks really bullish to me. I don't really see any bearish indicators. Just all bullish. Just a few bullish indicators right now. So, yeah, I'm going to say 275 coming in the short term. Not financial advice. So, looks good. Looks good. Hope that answers your question, dude. Okay, crypto. Cool. All right, so here's crypto. That's up 0.81% today. Not bad. I will take it. All right, let's check it out. Bitcoin doing really good. Bitcoin up 4% today. That's over 22K now. Let's go. Bitcoin recovering there. That was pretty rough. It was like 25K, went down to 19. Now we're back up to 22.5. So a big day for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's really holding the whole market up here. That's what it seems like. Ether down a little bit, 1.7%. Binance down a little bit, pretty sideways. Not much price action here. Solana, 7.6%. Big day there. Polygon, 5.6%. Avalanche, 5.2%. Not too much price action. And there's a decent amount of red as well. Damn, Terra Classic down 18%. Good. Yeah, let's sort this out. Doesn't seem like too much price action today. But looks like Bitcoin's really holding the market up. Let's sort this out. Can you share if any oil is pumping soon in the future? Hey, I don't have a crystal ball, but according to that one, RB1, oil futures, it does look bullish. So, I'm going to say likely, yes. I'm going to say likely, but, no one has a crystal ball. But it does look bullish in the short term. All right, let's start on the red side. Golem? What? I used to have Golem. I forgot when I sold it, but I used to have Golem. This is a really old coin. Wow. Where'd that come from? Okay. All right, we'll start on the red side. So actually, most of the coins are in the red today. About like 75% of the coins in the red. There's more red than green. So it does appear like Bitcoin really is holding up the whole market here, crypto market. Price action isn't too crazy. Not much price action, but most of the coins in the red. We got 3 coins in the double digits. Terra, the new Terra Luna, down 23% today, but it's up 120 for the week, so healthy pullback there. And then Terra Classic, down 18% today. Yeah, so Terra and Terra Classic and Terra USD are the only things in the red today. 13% Terra USD. And Terra Classic USD. And I don't know why people are buying this. Don't buy this, guys. Down 13%, but still up 31% for the week. So only the Terra stuff down today. Double digits. And then after that, big drop off from there. So most of the coins in the red. So yeah, 25% of the coins in the green. Not much price action on the green side either. So only 3 coins in the double digits. Golem, 36%. I don't know why that's winning. That's a very old coin. Raven coin, 34%. And Hedera, 12.4%. And then there is a lot of value on the green side, though. Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Monero, Bitcoin, Wrap Bitcoin, Uniswap. Yeah, a lot of value here. Near FTX. So, not a good day for the altcoins. But, yeah, a lot of value. Value is definitely leading the way here today in crypto. So, you know, hope you guys have holding a lot of Bitcoin, Ether, all that value stuff. Not a good day for altcoins. Good day for the value coins. So slightly bullish day here in crypto. I will take it. And most of my crypto holdings is Bitcoin, so I'm definitely happy about this. So yeah, bullish day, stock market, slightly bullish day, crypto. You know, so pretty good day here today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. You wish you short Terra Classic last week. I bet you make tons of money. Yeah, I mean, you definitely could have, but I don't short crypto. Too risky for my liking. I'll stick to shorting stocks. But yeah, for sure, you could have made a lot of money there. Okay. So I'm going to mute real quick while the siren passes, and I'm going to pull up the news today. 1 second, guys. Never short crypto, stay alive. Yeah, I actually never have shorted crypto, and I don't want to. Seems like a really bad idea. I mean, you can make a lot of money, but, you know, it's a double-edged sword there. Because I'm a technical trader, I trade on gaps, really, and there are no gaps in crypto. That's why I really don't short. If there were gaps in crypto, I probably would. But no gaps, no bueno. Alright, gonna give this another second to finish loading. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. Alright, that's still loading. Great. Remember you were about to buy Luna Classic? I was never gonna buy Luna Classic. You must have something wrong, dude. I was never even considering buying Luna Classic. That's not me, dude. Got me confused with someone else. Okay. All right, let's get started with the news here today, guys. I do hear a siren in the background, so hopefully that. No, it's coming this way. Whatever, we'll talk over it. My apologies, guys. Okay, so today, guys, I got 5 articles and some stuff from Low Roller. Nothing too crazy. Biggest article is this one about falling gas prices and inflation. And then we got one about the railroad strike. Update on that. One about Biden and he wants to invest in biotech. One about James Harden teaching financial literacy, and one about Trump, the update on the Trump case. What is this? Is this what he's talking about? The Cancer Moonshot Initiative. I think it's Biden. That's what Biden is talking about. Cancer Moonshot Initiative. That's his investment in biotech. Sounds great, you know, but with what money? With what money? We got no money right now. You already forgive all those damn loans. What, are you going to print more money to fund biotech? No, thank you. No, thank you. think I gotta update OBS. I don't know why lately my sound effects are lagging. I think I gotta update OBS. Alright. Cool, let's do it. So first article. Get the printer rolling. LMAO. Yeah, well, I did not want the student loan forgiveness, and I do not want this damn biotech investment. You know what? If biotech stocks pump and I can short it, then fine, but this doesn't seem like a good idea. Your viewer about to buy a classic, he asked you about it? Yeah, someone asked me about it, and I said no. I remember that, but I was never going to buy Luna Classic. Absolutely not. Give us more money investing on Dogecoin, Shiba Inu? If that's what you want to put your money in, dude, you should probably buy Bitcoin over that, but he's not going to give you any money. It's not a stimulus check. He's going to give it to the biotech companies. All right, so falling gas prices are raising hopes that inflation is slowing, New York Fed survey shows. Respondents to the New York Fed August survey of consumer expectations indicated they now expect the annual inflation rate to be 5.7% a year from now. Along those lines, consumers now expect gas prices to be a little changed the year from now, though they see food rising 5.8%. Okay, so, alright, so 5.7% in 1 year. I'm gonna be honest, that's a bit optimistic. But hey, if it happens, great. But we're at, like, what, 9% right now? Something like that? Like, 8 point something? 9 point something? So, yeah, going down like 4%, 3 to 4% in 1 year is pretty optimistic. I don't think that's going to happen. But, hey, it gives the market hope. So hopefully it does, but I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. Let's see. Yeah, so gas was $5 earlier. Now it's $3.70. So big, yeah. That's a significant decrease in gas. I don't really drive too much, but I remember I did pay like $5.50 for gas, and I was like, what the actual hell? So $3.70 is reasonable. All right, we're not gonna read all this, but yeah. Everyone is looking at gas prices, and that's an indicator that inflation is slowing. So, yeah, we'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. Generally speaking, when Jay Powell talks, it's bearish. So I kind of expect the sell off, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, this was the big news today. CPI coming out tomorrow. Gas prices going down. Very bullish. People think that's good for the CPI. Gas should be under $1 per gallon. Yeah, keep dreaming. Never again. I wish. Maybe in Mexico. Not even in Mexico. Okay. So let's get on to some minor news here. Actually, this is pretty important news, actually. All right, large railroad labor unions say they will strike if quality of life is not addressed in new contract. I do not know why there's so many sirens today. It's very noisy. I think something happened, but hopefully they all pass now before we get to the TA and we don't get interrupted. All right. Key points. 8 out of 12 labor unions have reached tentative agreements with the railroad carriers, up from 5 last week. So we did talk about that last week. So 4 more to go. But Blett and Smart TD, representing half of all rail workers, tell CNBC there will be no ratification unless quality of life issues, including vacation, sick days, and attendance policies are addressed. A cooling-off period expires Friday, at which time workers can strike, but railroad representatives stress the negotiations are ongoing and a strike is not inevitable. Roughly 40% of the nation's long-distance trade moves by rails, and the idling of 7,000 trains daily would trigger retail product shortages and widespread manufacturing shutdowns. Okay, so yes, the gas was good. That was bullish. But if this doesn't get addressed, that's not going to be good. It's going to be supply chain issues leading to everything being more expensive. And that's not going to help. So, yeah, we got 4 days And hopefully the last 4 unions come to an agreement. If not, everything's going to go up. It's going to be like the Suez Canal 2.0. Maybe not that bad, but yeah, definitely going to be supply chain issues if this does not get addressed. So yeah, just a quick update there, and I'm sure we'll come back to this in the near future by Friday. All right, next article. Biden to launch new support for U.S. biotech production. President Joe Biden. Where's my sound effect? There we go. President Joe Biden is launching a new initiative to encourage biotech production and research in the U.S. On Monday, he signed an executive order implementing the initiative and later will address how biotech can help fight cancer, though the amount of funding the White House is setting aside is unclear. Yeah. Well, how are you gonna fund it? Print money? Taxes? No, thank you. I don't want either of them. So this really came out of nowhere. But yeah, I guess Biden's trying to make his mark, before midterms. So personally, I'm not in support of this. But it is an executive order, so I guess it's gonna happen. So hopefully it's not that much money. We'll see how much money he's actually gonna invest in this. But yeah, again, so gas was good, but this is not good. If we have to print money to fund biotech production, or we get taxed more, make Mexico and Canada pay for it, yeah. Yep, pull the Trump. and there was never a wall. That never happened. But you would certainly rally the people up. So, yeah. So there's really no news about, or no specifics about this yet. He just said we're going to invest in biotech. So, yeah, I'm sure there'll be an update about this, and I'll bring it to you guys when there's more clarity on what they're investing in and how much they're investing. All right, let's do some fun stuff. NBA star James Harden is putting his nonprofit's support behind an effort to boost financial literacy among young adults. U.S. adults who score higher on financial literacy are more likely to make ends meet, according to research. The Impact 13 Foundation, Harden's nonprofit, is partnering with a wealth manager who visits colleges to meet with small groups of students to give them access to personal finance e-courses. The NBA star could make surprise visits at some of the seminars. All right, so I just thought this was funny because, respect to James Harden. This, is the right thing to do, charitable thing to do. Although it's probably just to write off taxes, if anything. But, I would definitely not take financial advice from James Harden. If you guys didn't know, this guy loves to blow money. He loves going to the strip club. He loves eating. He loves buying fancy stuff, jewelry, clothes. This guy loves to blow money. So, kind of counterintuitive here. But he said he's going to hire a wealth manager to talk to people. So, yes, listen to the wealth manager. Don't listen to James Harden. But it's pretty funny here. The man who loves to blow money teaching him financial literacy. But no, in all honesty, respect. This is a good thing to do, cool thing to do. But I think it's really just for tax purposes. I don't think he really cares about helping students become more financially literate. All right, last article here. Trump opposes DOJ bid to resume review of classified documents seized from Mar-a-Lago. Former President Donald Trump's lawyers urged a judge to reject the DOJ's bid to resume its review of the documents seized from Mar-a-Lago pending an appeal of the court ruling to appoint a special master. The FBI seized thousands of government records when it raided Mar-a-Lago, including many that bore high-level classification markings. The DOJ has argued that a special master is unnecessary and could harm the government's national security interest and the criminal investigation. All right, so yeah, just a quick update on the Trump DOJ case here. So yeah, they're trying to block the FBI from further investigating. Don't think it's gonna work, but hey, they can try. They can try. So we still don't really know what's in these documents, and we may never know. But yeah, not looking good for Trump right now. So yeah, I'm sure there'll be an update on this as well, and I'll be sure to bring it to you guys. All right, cool. So that's all my news. Let me quickly pull up Low Roller's stuff. We'll go through that very quickly. Not going to read everything, but let's see what he got here. And I'm lagging. What the hell? All right, a lot of chat. I got to go back and look for these links. All right. So while that loads, let me refresh this stock scanner here, aftermarket scanner. All right, I don't think we're still not getting much action here. Nope, no action. All right, we'll give this a few more seconds to finish loading. What up, Move the Chains? What's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Appreciate you as always. What's up? I'm good, dude. Made a lot of money today. Hope you made a lot of money. I mean, should have. You know, today was pretty bullish for everyone. All right, gonna take a quick drink and we'll quickly look at these 4 articles from Low Roller. What time is it? 5:04. All right, we're a little bit behind. Well, we did start a little bit late, but we're pretty much on time. Don't know why. Hold on. Don't know why I'm lagging so much though. Maybe it's because my scanner is on. Let me switch that. I think it was my scanner. Yeah, it was most definitely the scanner. Okay. What's this? Starbucks announces new NFC experience for coffee members. So you get NFTs for what? So you can earn NFTs by playing interactive coffee-themed games or taking on fun challenges on Starbucks Odyssey. Which will be launched later this year. Alright, so you can buy Starbucks NFTs or you can play a video game and earn them. That's pretty cool. I don't think many people are really going to go for this, but hey, I guess there's no downside. Bullish for Starbucks, bullish for Polygon, which is where it's going to be on. Cool. Alright, here will be to delist Monero and other privacy coins citing regulatory pressures. Yeah, I did see this. Yeah, Monero's getting listed everywhere. Glad I sold it before it got delisted from a bunch of exchanges. So yeah, you know, I don't think they had a choice. I don't think they wanted to, but they have to. Yeah, the Fed wants to know everything. They want to know where your money is, what money you got. All right, so so Dash, Decred, Fyro, Monero, Verge, Zcash, and Horizon. Really? I didn't even know Dash and Verge and Zcash were privacy coins. I had all of them. Not anymore, but okay. Yeah, so Joby's probably not going to be the last one to do this. But I don't think they had a choice here. US seizes. Yeah, so we went over this last week. So this was from the Axie Infinity hack. I don't know how they got it back, but yeah, they recovered 330 million out of 650 million, right? So, hey, but it's something. It's something. Small victory there. But yeah, we covered this last week. So the North Koreans hacked Axie Infinity. US getting 30 million back out of 650 million. Yeah, I saw this too. Yeah, Goldman Sachs gonna hire, or Goldman Sachs is gonna fire a bunch of people. They're gonna fire 1 to 5% of lower performers. Tough job, tough job. Okay, so probably a couple hundred people are gonna lose their jobs here. I feel bad. Verge people didn't sell the peak in 2018. That was me, dude. I had Verge, and then that was back when John McAfee was like, buy Verge, buy Verge. He was shilling Verge, and then it pumped hard, and yeah, I diamond handed. I'm like, yep, going to the moon. Nope, I should have sold it. So I diamond handed that one. Red Coin was another one that pumped. There was a few that John McAfee was shilling that really mooned. But yeah, cloud on me. That was me for not selling. All right, cool. So yeah, guys, that is all the articles for today. Let's get on to crypto. Not crypto. TA, my bad. TA. You heard quiet quitting is a new trending on social media? What is quiet quitting? I've never heard of that. You still holding Verse today? No, I got rid of it. I dumped it for like break even. I didn't have that much. I had like 500 bucks. Okay. All right. So let me check YouTube real quick. Where are we at? 8 viewers, 21 likes. Wow. A lot of likes, a lot of likes. I think a lot of them are bot likes, but thank you guys. A lot of likes. Great show today. Didn't expect today's show to be this popular, this good. So appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. All right. Let me just quickly do another scan here. So I'm still trying to figure out how the aftermarket action works on the TD scan. This is like a newer thing to me. Because it was working this morning, but it looks like it doesn't work for aftermarket. Alright. Mark percent change. Alright, MEGL is mooning. MEGL is mooning. So I guess it does work. It's just a little confusing here. Alright, let's peep MEGL real quick. See if I can make a play on this. Is there news? Why is this pumping? No news. Alright, I'm not going to go for it then. But MEGL is pumping for some reason here in the aftermarket. If there was news, I'd probably put in an order for 850. 840. But yeah, no news, I'm not going to go for it. Quiet quitting is minimal worker. You are not working hard enough. You do bare working just to survive another day. Why? Why is that a trend? Being lazy a trend? Bro.
Bruh.
I mean, I'm not surprised. The world is going mad, and then they want to complain, you know, when they're poor, and you know, it's not fair. Just so poor, blah 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 blah. It's your fault. You know? You know, the dumbest trends ever. Social media is nuts. Alright, guys, so today, once again, we're going to do INM. INM. Only stock we're going to analyze today. So this shouldn't... Wow, this is getting wrecked in the aftermarket. Wow. It finished at 18.8. Dude, did my order hit? No, wow. Because I tried shorting it, but there was no shares. I had an order in for 1860. Damn, it didn't hit. Imagine if they gave it to me 1860. Come on, IBKR, give me the shares. Wow, I literally had the order in for 1860 short. And yep, no shares. They didn't give it to me. Damn, that would have been a great short. It's going down right now in the aftermarket. Ah. All right, well, maybe tomorrow. If not, then whatever. I literally had an open order for 1850 short. I've been catching the tops. Here's quiet quitting articles. All right, we'll look at that after we're done with this TA. Any thoughts on BKKT? All right, sure, we'll look at it. Give the bots what they want. All right, so 58 RSI. So not the greatest entry, but, you know, not bad. This is coming back down to 270. Gap up here, 270. So longer term, it looks bullish. You know, cup and handle. Gap down here at 12. So eventually this should come back up to 12. But I think it's coming back down to 270 first, and then should be bullish from there. So I'm going to say short-term bearish, long-term bullish. 270, and then to the moon. Not financial advice. All right. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, let's do it. Let me pull up the news. All right, let's do it, guys. So here is INM Inmed Pharmaceuticals. This finishes at $18.78 today. That is up 70.42%. Scratch my ear real quick. All right, we do apes. StockTwits. How many mentions did this have today? This was number 2 on StockTwits today. Had 4,500 mentions. Oh, this was number 2 after SPY. Had 4,500 mentions. So today we're going to analyze it for the first time. So there was a reason as to why the stock went up so much today. On Friday last week, in the aftermarket, we did have some bullish news. So let's check that out. All right. So the news is that the company announced a $6 million private placement priced at $8.68 per share. So that's about 1.4 million shares. There's trucks outside are loud. So a huge private investment coming into this company. So in the aftermarket, they started mooning, and the momentum continued. Into today. Kept pumping all day, all the way to the end, all the way to the bell rang. So I'm very happy for the apes. Wow. And this was some huge volume today. So this seems to be a combination of a momentum play and the squeeze. So I'm very happy for the apes. But at this point, don't get too greedy, guys. It's never a bad thing to hit the sell button and take your profits. Because this is starting to look kind of bearish. But we'll get to that in a second. But all right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Let me set 3. Okay. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 580. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $19. Of course. Here comes the damn sirens. Why are there so many sirens today? Never fails. We gotta do something important. Alright, my apologies, guys. I'm gonna mute while this passes. Give me a couple seconds here. Alright, my apologies, guys. And still no aftermarket action happening. Alright, back to this. It can be 19. And if it is 19, that would be a bearish indicator, because that would mean the cup already topped out and is due for a pullback. But it can also be 22.30, 25.20, 28.50, or 28.50. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to go all the way back up to 35.60. Yeah. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to go all the way back up to the high of 59.25. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be 19. Or 22.30. So the cup and handle can be bullish or bearish depending on where the top is. But it seems like short term. But it looks like short term. But it looks like in the short term. But it looks short term bearish and long term bullish. Yep, and there the bots go again, trying to pump Fubo. Okay. What's next? Ascending channel. Here we had an ascending channel where the upper channel was at 15 and the lower channel was at 11. So if this broke 15 to the upside, that would be bullish, and if this broke 11 to the downside, that would be bearish. This did in fact break 15 to the upside. So the ascending channel is currently a bullish indicator. Move that. Down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line is pulling away from the signal line to the upside. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. Okay. All right. And now for the cool. And now for the bearish stuff. So we have a gap up created today at 1325. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 1325 to fill that gap. And that gap should fill in the short term. The RSI, the relative strength index, is currently at 82. So this is pretty deep in overbought and overvalued territory. So that's a bearish indicator. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 1740. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. All right, there we go. Got everything. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Pat McAfee pumping football stock with the sportsbook. You know who else is pumping football stock? The bots. Okay. All right, let's do it. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1910 and 1860. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1910, 1965, 2005, 2070, 2155, 2220, 2275, 2355, 2420, 2475, 2530, 2625, 2675, 2720, 2850, 2920, 2920, 2985, 3050, 3120, 3175, 3255, 3320, 3390, 3495, and then 3560. There is resistance above 3560, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1860, 1805, 1765, 1695, 1645, 1550, 1440, 1375, 1280, 1225, 1160, 1120, 1050, 985, 930, 865, 810, 755, 695, 650, and then the low of 580. So right now at the current price, 1880, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action, either way this goes. And this did 32 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 130,000. So very significant volume. So this pump slash squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Okay. So yeah, very bullish PR leading to a momentum pump slash squeeze. Huge gains here. And this may have a bit more upside. To go. But unfortunately, in the short term, it's starting to look very bearish. Again, we have some strong bearish indicators in the gap up RSI and aftermarket action. There's another siren. This is crazy. It's probably like 10 today. What is this? Alright, gonna mute. My apologies, guys. Alright, back to this. And again, we have bullish indicators in the ascending channel and MACD. And the cup and handle is pretty much a neutral indicator at this point. So more bearish indicators than bullish indicators right now. So the stock appears to be slightly bearish to... So right now the stock appears to be slightly bearish to bearish. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You missed huge upside today. And going long here would pretty much be FOMO at this point. Don't chase, guys. You missed your chance, and if you were to go long here, you're likely gonna get burned. Where was the... So I can't really say how much further this is going to go to the upside, but again, there could be a little bit more upside. But again, there could be a little bit more upside potential. Let's just say this has the potential. This has the potential to come back up to 22.20. Where a possible top of the cup is. So from the current price of 1880, do some quick math. That would be about a 20%. That would be a little less than a 20% upside potential. So decent upside potential here in the short term. And again, this should come back, and again, this should come back down to $13.25 to fill the gap there, and from the current price of $18.80, that would be about a 30% downside potential. So I would say going long at the current price would be a high risk, medium reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. Like I said, it looks like you missed your chance. So if you want to go long here, it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. Yeah. So if you want to go long here, please do that at your own risk, and it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. But honestly, again, this should pull back down to $13.25 to fill the gap there. And I think that would be a much better entry than the current price of $18.80. Okay. And from 13.25 up to 22.20, where the possible top of the cup is, would be that would be about a 70% upside potential. And it's hard to say how much it would pull back from there. And it's hard to say how much it would pull back from 13.25. But there is critical support at 10.50. So I don't think it's going to go lower than that. And from 13.25 down to 10.50, that would be about a 20% downside potential. So I would say going long at 13.25 would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Somewhat risky, but there is a lot of upside potential at that entry, and it should pay off pretty big in the longer term. So I don't like the current entry of 18.80, but I can't support going long at 13.20, but I can't support going long at 13.25. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. Again, more bearish indicators than bullish indicators right now. Likely going to pull back in the short term. Again, this may come back up to 22.20 to complete the cup there, which would be about a 20% upside potential. And again, this should come back down to 13.25 to fill the gap there, which would be about a 30% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 18.80 would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. It's somewhat risky because it is somewhat risky, but as long as you're able to withstand the upside pressure, this should pull back down to 13.25 to fill the gap. and that should be some pretty fat tindies on the downside. So I can't support going short at the current price, 1880 and higher. And again, I would cover at 1325 where the gap is for a relatively easy 30% downside gain. Okay. So congratulations to everyone who made money on the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is INM Inmed Pharmaceuticals. Okay. Cool. So that wasn't too bad. Didn't take too long. About a half hour, 25 minutes. Good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And yep, that's all the TA for today. So all we got left is the Yolos. And I guess the article here by Low Roller. Alright, let me just quickly do another scan here. Is Fubo a YOLO? Yeah, pretty much. It's a meme stock. Do it at your own risk. Alright, I don't see anything really popping in the aftermarket. Let's do another, let's use this one. Let's use Market Chameleon. I guess no Rainbow Bearing live. And I guess I'll open the link here while we look at this. Oh, it's Fox Business. I don't know if it's gonna, load because I have my ad blocker on. If it's ad blocker, then I'm not going to read it. Alright, still not much action in the aftermarket here. Alright, let me see this article. Yep, yeah, so you see, I gotta turn off ad blocker. I'm not gonna do that, so we're not gonna read it, unfortunately. But I can give you my opinion. I think it's really dumb. I think it's really dumb. Why would you want, why is that a trend, being lazy and not working? You know? That's the dumbest thing to me. Like I said, so those same type of people are going to complain that they're so poor and blah, 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 and I have no sympathy. Absolutely no sympathy. Yahoo, I think that was also going to be ad blocked. Yahoo has a lot of ads. So we're not going to read it, Low Roller, but I know what it is, and I think it's dumb. Yes, that's my opinion. Stupidest thing ever. And that's probably the same, probably the Kroger guy is probably one of those guys. Probably one of those people. And, you know, those are the victim, people claiming victim, stick your paw out, gimme, gimme, gimme. Life is not fair. And, yep, I don't feel bad at all. You know, they deserve to be poor, to be completely honest. Okay. Let me pull up the YOLOs here. Alright, all YOLOs open. Let's give that a second to load up. So yeah, I said 6 o'clock. We're probably going to get done by 6 o'clock. So right on time. Alright, so let's give this a minute to finish loading. And we'll get done with the YOLOs here. So anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in chat right now. Charts, anything, put in chat right now. We'll get to that before the show is over. Alright, taking a bit long to load. I think we'll get started here anyway. quiet quitting. If you work too hard, if you work too fast, then you give more work. If you do minimal work, they expect you to give less work. You gotta work smarter. All right, I see what you're saying there. That is true. If you, all right, I get that. Yes. Companies do expect the most out of you, and if you do good, then if you finish fast, then yeah, they give you more work. That used to be the case in Amazon. I know what you mean there. But still, you know, you can't do minimal work and expect big results. You can't do minimal work and expect a raise. So it's catch-22. Like, yes, it doesn't really do anything. There is a benefit to working harder. You have a chance of getting promoted. Let's put it that way. Unfortunately, that's how it works. You got to break your back and slave away, and hopefully your bosses notices and give you a promotion. That's not the case all the time, but if you don't work harder, you're definitely not going to get the promotion, unless you're, if you're cool with the boss or something. So, valid point, very valid point, but still, you should not be doing minimal work, I don't think, I don't agree with it. I think it's wrong. Okay, so let's get started here, guys. So today this should be fun. We have 11 Yolos. 11 Yolos, a lot of memes, a lot of lost corn, and some gain corn as well. So it should be fun, nothing too serious. Let's do it, guys. This first one is by Massive Nectarine 438. RIP, hope you autists are ready for the storm. Alright, so Kramer says the Fed may be winning against inflation. Uh-oh. So, just when we thought it was getting good, right? Of course, Kramer has to say this. So that's pretty bearish. Not literally, but you guys know the joke. Inverse Jim Kramer. So, if Kramer says the Fed is winning against inflation, watch next month. Watch CPI going to come out tomorrow. It's going to be like 10%. It's probably not, but yeah. So Kramer says inflation's going down. Good chance it does not. So do what you want. I actually do think inflation is going down, but it's just a joke. Inverse Jim Kramer. So shout out to Jim Kramer. Giving us great content, letting us use him as the punching bag. All right, this one is by Klept Attempt. They're out there somewhere. This is so true. I love this. So say hello to the guy on the other side of your losing trade. So here's a, fat disgusting blob here, and really hot girl. So yes, this is true. For every winning trade, for every losing trade, there's a winner, and for every winning trade, there's a loser. So, this is probably what the pros actually look like, just sitting behind the desk all day and while the apes get wrecked. And yes, this is very, very true. I like to think of this as me, but, I'm not fat and hairy like this. But yes, absolutely true. Absolutely true. Alright, and here comes another siren. This is ridiculous today. There's so many... Why are there so many sirens? This is crazy. Well, at least we're past the important part, so I'll just talk over it. But this is really annoying. My apologies, guys, for all the sirens today. Trying to mess up my show. Alright, next one. By Mosquito Block. 99% of Redditors. Yep, this one's also very true. So I forgot what this is called, but I'm pretty sure this is a torture device back in the medieval times. The horse, and I think they burn you in the horse or something. So yes, me showing my parents my retirement account. So yeah, look at my safe portfolio, my index funds. So, yeah, this is true. So, index funds, but nope. In reality, it's crypto poop coins, 0 days till expiration, Yolos, and meme stocks. Absolutely, absolutely. So not Redditors, not even Redditors, but, you know, just retail in general. 99% of retail. More like 90% of retail. I'm not saying 99, but 90% of retail. Yep, dumbasses. Yeah, so Wall Street Bets, StockTwits, all that good stuff. Yep. totally true. Totally relatable. Used to be me. Not for long, but yep, I'm on to better things now. But yes, also very true. Just do work too fast first. You might get burned out too fast if you work hard, but you never get promoted. Yeah, but, you know, that's the catch-22. If you don't work hard, you'll never get promoted. But you may not get promoted anyway, so. So, I understand the argument of not working hard, because it may not pay off anyway, but that's not a good mindset to have. And like I said, those people are going to just complain their whole lives. That's a Trojan horse. That's what it's called, yes. The Golden Bull or something like that was the torture device where they would stick you in and build a fire underneath it. Yeah, that was it. The bull. And they burn you alive. They cook you alive. But what is the Trojan horse? What does that do? Is that the one with the spikes? And they like... I don't even know, but medieval time stuff. Alright, next one. By Dependent Hippo. When you finally cash out on your long-term portfolio. Alright, so, you know... bitter, you know, it's funny, but kind of sad at the same time because, yes, the RIP to the Queen. Give her the RIP here. RIP to the Queen. And now we got King Charles. This guy's like, what, 75, 80, something like that? He's in the 70s, right? So, yes, when you finally cash out on your IRA. Yep. So he's been waiting for this moment, and he finally cashed out. So, yeah, RIP to the Queen, and good luck to the King. You should have articles quitting show tomorrow. Quitting tomorrow show. No, thank you. I'm not gonna promote bad behavior. Don't agree with that. Fubo? I already talked about Fubo. Stop it. These damn bots. No, Greek soldiers hid inside the Trojans and brought it inside, and the Greeks came out and... Okay. So I'm getting confused here. Shows what I know. I thought it was a torture device. So it was really a sneak attack. Alright, got it. You learn something new every day. Alright, let's get into the Lost Coin here. By money alt account. Am I doing it right? Alright, so we see here... Let me zoom in for you guys. So this guy, this year, down 450k. And there goes his whole account. Blew it up.
And it's gone.
Congratulations. Takes a real ape to do this. So literally all you had to do was, you know, buy index funds, value stocks, buy and hold for the long term. Would have been a couple $1 million, and if you know, in a couple of years. But nope, you wanted to be an ape, and yep, blew up 450k. So yes, you are definitely doing this right. You belong here. Congratulations, well deserved. Now, quite honestly, I don't even know how this is possible. How is this even possible? I mean, I know how. It's FDs and, you know, meme stocks and probably leverage. But, it's just really dumb to me. Don't do this, guys. Don't YOLO 450k. If you have 450k, just put it away. You know, for the long term. And it'll be good for your whole life. Don't be like these dumb apes. And here comes another siren. There's a fire truck this time. I don't know what's going on today. This is insane. Sorry, guys. Alright. So, yeah, money alt account. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. I mean, I do feel kind of bad, but not really. This is totally your fault. Yeah, that's like generational wealth, you know, that you just threw away. So, hope you feel good about yourself. Was it worth it? You're famous now. But yeah, thanks for posting. Epic lost corn. And good luck to you, dude. Alright, low roller. If we got time, we'll watch it. But it's almost 6, and I want to get out of here. Alright, this is by Beneficial Living 95. Discovered iron condors on January 2020. January 2020. Should have bought a house instead. Alright, so, yep, another one blew up his whole account. All time, down 90K. 100%.
And it's gone.
And you know what? I have a hard time believing this. There's no way you lost all your money playing Iron Condors. There's no way. No way. So for everyone who doesn't know, an Iron Condor is a 4-legged option strategy used for hedging. So how do you use a hedging strategy and blow up your whole account? There's something wrong here. This is not adding up. I don't believe this. Maybe this guy doesn't even know what an Iron Condor is. So I'm not sure exactly what he did here, but I'm pretty sure he did not do an Iron Condor. But yes, you're absolutely right. You should have bought a house instead. And that goes for every other ape on this forum. Well, 90K isn't going to get you a big house, but probably somewhere in middle America. So, yes, not sure what happened here, but it was definitely not Iron Condors. Probably FD Yolos, meme stocks, leverage. Yeah, don't feel bad at all. This is totally his fault. Should have did a real Iron Condor. But yeah. Beneficial Living 95. Thanks for posting. Don't know what you did, but it was not an Iron Condor. I wish you actually showed the play and not just the chart here. But yeah, you effed up. And you totally deserve it. So I don't feel too bad. And yes, you should have bought the house. But, thanks for posting. Great content. Epic lost corn. Hope you're okay. And good luck to you. Alright, next one by Is Just Me, 1986. Things are looking a lot better lately. 70K to break even. Alright. So here, in the past year, down 70K. 27%. So, all things considered, that's actually not too bad. Because he's at 195K here still. So, he was at 265K, now down to 195. And, that being down 25% is about right. Probably should be more like 15% now since the recovery. But, this isn't the worst thing in the world. This guy's not a total ape. A little bit of aping going on here. We see a Pinterest and RNG option. So, yeah, definitely some FDing going on here. But, this guy didn't YOLO his whole account. So, I give him that. He looks like he's investing what he can afford to lose. Or gambling what he can afford to lose. So, yeah, this guy doesn't seem like a total ape. And he should make his money back with time. But, if you want advice from me, I would say chill with the options. And this is enough money, to just buy and hold stock. But yeah, still epic lost corn. All things considered, not the worst, though. So yeah, It's Just Me, 1986. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. But this isn't too bad. Definitely, you could have did some things better, but it seems like you're doing it. You're investing what you can afford to lose. So yeah, you should be able to make your money back. May take a little bit, but you'll be alright, dude. So thanks for posting. Good luck to you. And please post updates. Alright, we got 4 more. By Wife of Epstein. Nice. Lost everything, including job. Can't pay rent. Flare me. So, yeah, another degen. Blew up his whole account. 42K.
And it's gone.
I'm just curious how he lost. How did you lose your job? Maybe because this is your job, right? Maybe that's probably what it was. Claiming this is my job. I'm a day trader. And now you got no money to day trade, so there goes your job. I don't see how you're gonna lose your job from blowing up your account. So, hey, whatever. So yes, don't know what happened here, but definitely not responsible investing. FDs, margin, meme stocks, I don't know. But yeah, definitely effed up here. So, but hey, you're famous now. You happy? You deserve it. So, probably go get another job. And, go work at Wendy's. Yeah, go back to Wendy's, dude. This is you, right here. Yep. Back to the grind. Back to Wendy's. Back to McDonald's. Back behind the dumpster. So, you know, just go work for a while. Come back and lose all your money again. But yeah, Epic Lost Corn. Great content. So, wife of Epstein, thanks for posting. Not really sorry for your loss. Totally your fault. And how'd you lose your job? I'm just really curious. So at this point, just, you know, just go get a job. And probably step away for a while. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. And yeah, hope to see you back here. Alright, by Snow72166. Think positive. Happy Monday, y'all. Alright, so another one that blows up his account. So this one's 35K. 99%.
And it's gone.
Everyone blowing up their account today. Alright, so again, not sure what happened, but Robinhood user. So probably FD Yolos, options, meme stocks, leverage. Yeah, think positive. That's all you can do when you have no money. You know, stay positive. So, yeah, happy Monday. So I like the attitude. Gotta stay positive. But it's not gonna help you get better at trading. So, you know, don't do this in the future. But thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Good luck to you. And, yeah, hope you come back. Better next time. Alright, on to the gain core now. By Sapper00. Little gain corn for those of you who forgot what it looks like. You can clearly see where I banked on the big squeeze GME, January 2021. Rolled most of the gains into asset classes I can't mention here, but it's up 20-fold. Cheers. Alright, so, hey, actually, a smart ape here. So, you know, made a bunch of money on GME. He hit the sell button, which nobody did, except for a few smart apes. And instead of YOLOing the money back, he put it into, you know, blue chip stuff. I don't know what he put it in, but he put it into safe investments. So this is well done. You know, the GME squeeze, kind of a questionable play, but it worked out, and, you know, he handled it correctly from there. Cashed out. Knew he got kind of lucky, and refused to give it back. So, well done. All around, well done. Nice on the GME play, nice hitting the sell button, and smart on, you know, diversifying into smart stuff. So, yes, take note, apes. This is what you should do if you do win. If you do manage to score big, this is what you should do, and not YOLO it back like most of you do. So, yeah, Sapper00. Thanks for posting, and congratulations. Really well done. Well deserved, dude. All right, two more. All right, low roller. We'll look at your YOLOs, but I don't think we're gonna do the video because we're running out of time here. So three more. By Talknees, just a small fish trying to make a living. From swing trading September 1st to day trading September 5th through 9th. All positions closed September 9th and 15K going to the bank for secured profits. Okay. So, I don't know what this guy did, but it was definitely pretty risky. Definitely seems like he was trading options. It has to be. It has to be. So I don't really recommend you guys do that. But he did get lucky here. He did make a win. He did make a win. And he did the smart. And he's doing the smart thing in cashing something out. If anything, he should probably cash more out. But at least he's taking some money off the table. So respect to that. Not as smart as the last guy. But yes, again, if you apes do manage to make a win here, get lucky and make a win, you should take something off the table, cash it out, and not YOLO it back. So this guy's YOLOing. I don't know if he's going to YOLO it back, but he's keeping a lot of money here to keep going. But at least he took out 15K, so respect. Again, apes, take note. When you win, cash out. So, Tokenies, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Well done. And please don't YOLO it back. You should probably take more out, but yeah. Please don't YOLO everything back. Alright, what's this? My money alt account. Yeah, that other one was my play money account. This is my real account. So it's a loss. Alright, so he was at 5.5 mil. And he's down to 500K. He lost 5 mil? What the actual hell?
And it's gone.
Please tell me he's trolling. Please tell me he's trolling. What?
What?
Bruh.
Bruh.
Yeah, I don't feel that bad. You gotta be a complete idiot to lose 5 mil. Literally, all you had to do was buy and hold. SPY. Generational wealth. And that you just screwed up your whole family for generations to come. Good job. You proud of yourself? Good job. Well deserved. This guy should be on the Wall Street Bets Hall of Fame. This deserves to be in the Hall of Fame. Yeah, no words. Just pure stupidity. And I really don't feel bad. And I feel bad for the people that could have benefited from this, and yeah, just pure stupidity here. All right, what's this? By Gold Silver Bear, 12K to 150K in 2 weeks. YOLO swinging SPY 1 to 2 day expiration. Peak at 250K today. All right, so don't do this, guys. But this guy got lucky here. So 12K to 150K, very impressive. Not typical. You're probably gonna lose your money if you do this. So don't do this, guys. But like I said earlier, if you do manage to make a win and you get lucky, cash it out. So not sure what he's gonna do here. I doubt he's gonna cash it out though. But yes, at this point, you got lucky, dude. Total luck. This is not skill. This is total luck. Cash it out. Secure the gains. At least cash out your cost basis. 12K. Take out 100K, dude. And play with the rest of the 50K. So yeah, well done, but it's not you, dude. You got lucky. And yeah, at this point, you should probably cash out a lot of money here. I'd probably cash out 100K. But yeah, great post. Congratulations to you. Be responsible. Do the right thing. All right, fine. We'll watch the video. 4 minutes. We're not even going to watch it. We'll just see what his portfolio is. All right, guys. So all that's left is we got to quickly watch this. We'll see what this Asian guy's portfolio is looking like. Let me pull it up. All right. We're not gonna actually watch the video, but let me see the portfolio. All right, so he's at 16.5K. All right, he's making his money back. Nice, nice. Still down a lot from, what, 100K? 150K? Whatever it was last year. But let's see here. All right, so his debit spreads. His debit spread leaps. Expiry 2024. So I like those. I like those. Boeing, Bumble. I don't know about Bumble. Kind of questionable about that one. But I like Boeing, Disney, and Meta and PayPal. Those are good. You know, blue chip stocks. Bumble. All right, I guess I can get behind it. And what's he have here? And he's selling puts, SoFi. So I like that a lot. Selling cash secured puts. Does he have money for that? Okay, that's interesting. So I do like that, but I wonder if he has the money to if that gets assigned. So I really like this. This is not ape at all. This is how you should be playing options. Cash secured puts. Also for UAL. I think that's United Airlines, right? So yeah, I like those cash secured puts. And I like the debit spreads. Well done, well done. Yes. I think he learned his lesson from blowing up his account last time. Let me fast forward here. But I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, let's shut this down.
Disney.
Nope. Close. All right, guys. So last order of business. Let's do one more scan before we get out of here. All right, doesn't appear like anything's going on aftermarket. No aftermarket action. Let's pull it up on this scanner. He's doing resellers Disney products limited edition, then resell higher products. He's still driving Amazon. Well, you know, hey, he has a job. That's something. And yeah, you know, I'm not worried about him. Seems like he knows what he's doing. Well, he seems like he effed up before. So if you have time to take a quick pick at Fubo. All right, I did before. But Koya, do you want Fubo because these bots are spamming it, or because you actually want to do it? Because everyone in the chat before, spamming Fubo is a bot. I hope you know that. But sure, we'll look at it one more time. Let me just see anything aftermarket is going on. I don't think so, though. Okay, cool. All right, so we'll do the Fubo and get out of here. Yeah, so what did I say? Yeah, short term looks bullish. May come back up to maybe $8 to complete this cup here. Now, you did Fubo before. I'm interested to invest some house money into it. All right, dude. Yeah, I think in the short term, this may come back up to $8 to complete this cup here. It's really not a good entry at this point. You know, 64 RSI, so not quite overbought and overvalued, but it's getting there, so be careful. But yeah, I think in the short term, this may come back up to 8. Maybe 965. There's a gap there. So I think 8 is possible. So I think 7, maybe 8, maybe 9, although kind of unlikely. But yeah, this should come back up to 7 probably. 7 or 8 in the short term. Maybe 9. And longer term, bigger cup and handle, and this should come back up to 32. So yeah, short and long term bullish, but in the short term, if this hits like 7 or 8, I'd probably hit the sell button, to be completely honest. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. Short term and long term bullish, but at 7 or 8, I'd probably hit the sell button, because it is getting overbought and overvalued. All right, you're welcome, dude. Bro, house money as in gains from the market. My guy. Yeah, I got you, dude. I know what you mean. I was just concerned that you wanted Fubo because these bots were spamming it. But if you really want to invest, then in all seriousness, yeah, it does look bullish short and long term. But probably hit the sub button 7 or 8. All right, cool. So that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Great show today. Didn't have too much content, but a lot of people in here chatting. So always pleasure. Again, guys, follow me on TikTok at Smarter Gambling. And yep, that's all I got for today. So let me see where we're at on YouTube. 7 viewers, 18 likes. Yeah, so there were definitely bot likes there because we went down in likes. That's how you know we made it, because we got bots in here now. But yeah, guys, that's the show for today. So good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. Happy Monday. Hope you guys made fat tendies, and I'll post my YouTube short and another TikTok very soon. Like probably in 20 minutes or something, 30 minutes. All right, so that's all I got. Let's get out of here. All right, later one, and later Koya. Cool. Let's get out of here, guys. Ugh. All right, let's do it. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, peace out, Eddie. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.